To make a solution, we need several things. We need our solvent, which is the thing we're going to dissolve into. We're going to use water today. And most of the time in our chemistry solutions, we're going to use water as our solvent. And we need a solute, the thing that we're going to put into the water to make it not water anymore, but a solution. The solute we're going to use today is just straight up salt. This actually comes from the drugstore, and people use packets like these to make saline in an easy and predictable way. If we read the directions on this packet and you look really closely, it says to you, please to add 240 milliliters of water, distilled or microfiltered, because you're going to put it in your body. You want it to be very, very clean. 240 milliliters of water plus the salt in this packet. So let's see how that works. To measure out our liquid, today we're going to use a beaker. We're not going to be extremely precise. We're going to be pretty close to 240, as close as we can get. So let's figure out how we're going to do this. So here's our first choice for a beaker. And this little guy can accommodate 10 milliliters. So up here at the top, this number says 10. I don't want to measure it out 24 times. So this beaker is too small. Let's try something bigger. Same problem with this one. This one will only fit 100 milliliters. Okay. Oh, yeah, let's. So what we need to do is to measure out our solvent, our water, and we need 240 milliliters. This beaker is the most appropriate. It's not going to be totally accurate, but you can see here on the scale that we can measure 200, 250, and we can go just below that to 240. So I'm just going to pour here until I get to, there's 200, and I'm going up to, and I'm going to estimate to the best of my ability, 240 milliliters of water. That's our solvent. The next step is just to add our pre-made solute. And we want to make sure it all goes in there, all of it. And then you can just sit and watch the solute dissolve. I think this is actually really pretty cool to watch what's going on in there. To finish up the process, last step is to swirl gently until it dissolves. Swirl and watch what's going on.